Today we install Pandas. The Python standard library does not include some of the packages that we are looking for in a specific task. In this video, we will install Pandas and clarify pip for a new data scientist. What is pip? Pip is a package manager that allows you to install and uninstall Python modules. Pip is already included in the new Python versions. Therefore, there is no need to install pip from Python unless you are not using an old Python version. We need to check the pip version opening the terminal, located in the lower left position in Windows, and on the search icon, write cmd and press enter. Afterwards, write pip ---- version and press enter. In this case, we have a pip version 20.2.3. Remember, pips comes with the Python installation. In the case you do not have it, you must install Python. Installing packages with pip. Python library includes already a set of packages and modules that help to create and develop the scripts and applications. In our case, machine learning models. As Python has a big community that creates their own modules, these packages are published to a Python package index, PyPi, which hosts a huge collection of Python packages. If you open the web browser and write PyPi and press enter, the first options shows the Python package index. After you click in, you will find the Python packages index with all the packages created from the Python community. Give it a look if you are looking for a specific package. In this video, we will install Pandas. We can write Pandas and press enter. The result shows in the first oppositions that Pandas packages that we are looking for installing. Additionally, you can check the web package pandas.org from your web browser, writing pandas in your web browser and pressing enter. You must click the first option, which corresponds to the Python Pandas data analysis library. The latest version is the 1.1.3, released on October the 6th of 2020. Correspond to the same version that we saw in PyPi. For the installation, you have to open your command prompt writing cmd in the lower left position of the Windows. You have to write cmd and press enter. When the window pops, first we can write pip help and press enter. The list that appears shows all the possible options with pip. Just in case you do not remember how to install any package or uninstall it, remember to call pip help and press enter. In the list, we see that the first option is install. Install means that when we want to add a module to your Python library, you have to say it. Simple. Pip install pandas and press enter. And there you go. The installation for Pandas has started, and therefore we have to wait till it finishes.
Hey guys, our stats show that most of our users of our videos do not subscribe. Please subscribe and comment. Like us. For us it's essential, and it is the way to keep creating excellent content. Thank you.
Within the Pandas installation, we can check if we have installed it. We have first to type Python in the command prompt and press enter. Afterwards, we have to import our Pandas module. Import Pandas as PD. When we create an alias for Pandas, in this case PD, it is to shorten the name Pandas, and it is also an international convention to import module. Since we did not get any message of error when loading Pandas, it means that it is ready. Anyway, we must check the version. Let's write pd.__version__ and press enter. Remember that PD means Pandas. The result is that we have installed Pandas 1.1.3, which is the last version of the package. Congratulations, you are ready for starting data analysis. In the next video, we will start to work with Pandas basics.
And please, remember to subscribe to our channel, check our webpage, visit our social media if you want to become a data scientist. Bye.